Good morning, children. Today we will discuss another characteristic of living things, that living things reproduce. Before we start, let us revise what we have learned in our previous session. All living things need food. Since plants are living things, they also need food, but they make their own food. Food provides energy to all living things, which allow them to work and grow. Living things can feel. Living things react to things that happen to them. They also respond to their surroundings. You also feel happy when you get good marks in a test. Now, let us discuss how living things reproduce. All living things produce young ones of their own kind. Dear children, you are the babies of your father and mother. So, like human beings, animals and plants also produce their young ones. Animals produce their young ones either by laying eggs or by directly giving birth to their babies. Let us see some examples of animals that directly give birth to their babies. But some animals produce their babies from eggs. Birds also reproduce by laying eggs. Let us see some more examples of animals and insects that reproduce by laying eggs. Children, like animals and human beings, plants are also living things and they also reproduce. But how do they reproduce? Most of the plants reproduce through seeds. Plants reproduce through their roots, stems, and leaves as well. Plants like the sweet potato and the mint reproduce through their roots. But some plants like onion, potato, and ginger reproduce through their stem. Now, let us see reproduction in plants through leaves. Plants like bryophyllum and begonia reproduce through their leaves. All living things reproduce, and the process by which living things produce their young ones is known as reproduction.